Hi everyone, this is Ovi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to make this quick and simple iPhone pocket. It's really cute and easy. Let's get started. Now make a slip knot, then make 18 chains. After making 81 chain, from the second chain, look, making one single crochet in every chain until the end. That at the end we'll have 18 single crochet. As you see, I made my single crochet. Now for the row 2, one chain, turn our work. Again, look, from the back loop of every stitch, make single crochet. This is a row 2. Now for the row 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, just do like this method. From the back loop of every stitch, make a single crochet. Now I'm going to make it and until row 7. Turn our work and from the again back loop of every chain, make single crochet. 2, 3, 4 and 5. After making 5 single crochet, make a 45 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making 45 chains, look from here, skip 45 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Making into the 46 stitch from the back loop, one single crochet, and again keep continue until the end. Now for the row 9, again one chain, turn our work and make a look again from the back loop, single crochet until reach here. Now into the every chain, look here that we made it, make a one single crochet. Totally it will be 45 single crochet. Look until here, and again we have a 5 stitch at the end, make single crochet in every stitch, and the row 9 is finished. Now for the row 10, again one chain, turn our work from the back loop of every stitch, make a single crochet. Look, from back loop of every stitch, just make a single crochet and repeat like this row until row 22. You see, now I make until row 22. Now in row 23 again we're going to 30 single crochet, 1, 2. From the beginning we made from the back loop. Now make a 30 single crochet, then coming back. After making 30 single crochet, again like this part, making 45 chains, 1, 2, 4. Then from here skip 45 stitches and join with a single crochet. Make it. Join, look, skip 45 stitches. Then again keep going 2 for 5. 5 single crochet. Again 1 chain, turn our work, and we're going to make in every stitches single crochet. Look here in the 45 chains, in every chain single crochet. Again here make a single crochet. Look, this is our row 24. Turn our work. Now for the row 25. Look, for the row 25 until the row 31 we just making same, making a single crochet in every rows. Look, and until row 31. Okay, just making like here, making single crochet until row 31. Now as you see I finished the until row 31. Now time to join together. Look, fold in half, joining together, 1 chain. Look, in the corners make 3 single crochet, 2, 3, but along the edge joining together. Like this, joining until this corner. After making 3 single crochet in the corners, now here, look, at this part, to reach this part, another edge, we're going to make a loop between the stitches, make a single crochet. Look, for a perfect finish. Now between the stitches here, make 1 single crochet. Look, make it until this edge and join here. Again join this part until the end, then finish. Our phone pocket is ready now. It's really practical and simple. Subscribe for more crochet tutorial and don't forget to leave a comment if you like it.